Whose gremlin is this? Hey! Bad. You ready?
And we're off.
Detroit. The Lions. Isn't it the Lions?
Yeah, nice.
I don't know sports, but I did know that.
En route to drop these two off first.
We need to get rid of these two.
Mostly this one. Sorry, Mom.
Tops are gone. We're smooth sailing. Got a tailwind. Help try to beat the $4 a gallon. That's just gonna make me broke on this trip.
First stop coffee.
I'm hungry. We're fancy. One sip, everybody knows the rules. It's a 9.3.
What? You're in the 9s? You're so picky. You gave Spy House a 7 the other day.
Weird that she'd be sleeping already.
Turn your head.
We're ready.
That looks so good.
BMX with a fresh helmet wrap. Hardly even looks like a grandma kit. It looks like it's custom painted. That was a waste. That was a fresh tear off too.
Are you stressed?
A little bit, yeah. I feel like I got like a bad start in the LCQ and I just lost it. Freezing in here, holy shit. It is cold.
Morning.
Morning.
Got in at 2 a.m. The roads were terrible. There's no plows out.
Liquid death. Murder your thirst.
Ouch. Now we're about 2 hours away.
Yep, just driving in a snowstorm. Gotta love it.
So bumpy.
Where are my gloves, mother? Do I look fancy?
I mean, you really match.
Am I too red is the question?
Stop.
So.
gotta rank it.
I'm gonna give it a 9-1. It's really good.
And we got the vanilla latte with oat milk. And where are we? Madcap coffee. Let's see if I can do this.
Stunts.
this is so sketchy.
We bought down.
We're gonna max 10 miles an hour. Hold on. Here is the crib for. Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Too far.
Let's check the view. Good old Detroit.
What a beaut.
Not terrible. Kind of nice to this direction. Kind of cool. Morning.
Morning. Let's go get Sandy.
Had our coffee. Madcap.
Now we need a scooter.
Oh. My fingers are so cold. At least the pits are nice and warm.
That's such a wobble to the pool.
What?
I bet it.
That sounds safe. Wish me luck as I am a mechanic this weekend.
You're more of just a glorified bike holder.
Well, that's rude. I feel like that's
I
a
was gonna say.
demotion.
I wasn't. Kind of still like not as steep. That makes it easier to do. Thinking it's gonna be double, and then you're gonna triple. I'm gonna triple. Not you.
Yeah, don't say me.
Here you go, double, triple, double.
Got it.
What are you gonna do? Single.
Close my eyes and just see what happens.
Was good.
Track looks fun.
It was really fun. It was a little muddy, but which I really don't like. But I haven't rode Supercross since Arlington, so like, you're always like super nervous when you go out there. Like, you're not even gonna remember how to do it. But then I go out there and it's like, all right, well, I remember how to do this. So I hit most of the rhythms right away. So, and my whoop speed is better somehow for not even practicing them. So, we'll see what we can do.
How's practice one?
Practice one was good. They made a really sketchy rhythm over there. They changed it after free practice. The guys were crashing all over the place. I almost crashed. I landed in the tough blocks a couple times. But we did okay. It wasn't bad. I think I at least could get probably a second in this next one. Need to up my warp speed a little bit. Need to go a little better in the whoops, and there's one rhythm that I want to try. There's like a triple single before the finish line that I want to try to get that, and I think between that and the whoops I can probably get a second and a half. So, but I haven't rode Supercross in 2 weeks, so like this is kind of like, it's hard to get warmed up and fast right away. So like the first two are kind of just get the ball rolling, and now I think we should be able to be good to go. What's up?
Qualified 35th overall.
Yeah, it's not great, but it's hard to expect a lot when you don't get to practice during the week and you just work construction. So, and I don't know, looking at the field, it's stacked, so I just need to get some good starts. Really. That's all it comes down to at this point. Because the times are pretty close, really. Like from making the main to 35th is like a second, maybe.
Between you and like 20th is a second and a half.
So like that's just me hitting the whoops better.
Yeah.
And yeah, time to just go fast in the heat race. So. What's up?
2.
Heat 2.
Goals.
Crap.
Get a start.
Get a start. Get top 9. Don't go to the LCQ.
And
kill
have a
it
fun
main.
time.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's go.
How's the track?
Track's pretty good. Dirt's good. The whoops are janky, but that could just be because I have like no practice in whoops. So, but they're gonna be fresh for the heat race. So we're gonna try to just get on top and give her.
Now you told me you almost crashed somewhere.
Look at how cold it is.
Can you see them steaming?
You can't really see them steaming. How'd the LCQ go?
Well, obviously I didn't make the main, but which sucks.
It honestly went better than the heat, though.
Oh, the heat was terrible.
You had a solid jump.
I didn't even feel like I belonged out there. I was a little bit bummed about it, but LCQ, I got a good start. And then I was going around the second turn. The kid in front of me got cross-rutted and cut over, smashed into me right before the triple.
Literally like top 8 start, too.
Basically, we took us both out of hitting the triple, and then when you don't do that, that's pretty much you're done.
Well, you pushed the whole entire one.
Rode a little bit better. I mean, it's hard because I'm competitive and I want to make the main, which sucks. But I don't get to practice during the week, and I just work construction, so like I gotta be realistic with the goals and be happy with the little accomplishments, because race day is technically like practice for me in a way. But
It's practice and a race all in one.
yeah. I don't know. I'm not satisfied unless I'm in the main event, though. So.
Well, not being satisfied just means you
Ooh,
wanted
get a
to
shot
win
of the
more.
knee pads.
Ew. Ew. If only you could smell these things.
Whatever.
Major privateer life.